In this module, we will learn the inputs, tools and techniques, outputs of the Plan Communications Management process. Plan communications is the process of identifying what information needs to be shared for successful project execution, how that information will be shared, and with whom that information will be shared. The PMBOK guide defines two key inputs to the Plan Communications Management process. The project management plan includes other subsidiary management plans and baselines that may help influence the development of the communications management plan. For example, the resource management plan may indicate if a team will be co-located or virtual. Additionally, the scope baseline will describe the nature of the work, which will strongly influence the method and tools to be used in the management of communication. The Stakeholder Register will also be an input. This project document is developed in the Project Stakeholder Management chapter and includes a list of project stakeholders and some attributes about their involvement. The types of stakeholders involved in the project and their expectations will strongly influence the way that communication should be managed. Two additional inputs include enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets. Enterprise environmental factors can be a major input to defining the management approach, particularly government standards, stakeholder culture, and the organization's existing infrastructure and tools. Organizational process assets may contribute a communications management plan template and lessons learned. The PMBOK guide defines several tools and techniques for the Plan Communication Management process. Communications requirements analysis is the technique to determine the need for information of project stakeholders. Just as important as knowing the information that is necessary for stakeholders is determining what information is not necessary for stakeholders. A key indicator to the complexity of project communication can be investigated by calculating the number of communication channels. We will explore how to do this in a separate module. Communication technology is the collection of media through which communication is achieved. This can include telephone, email, databases, etc. Communication models should be used as appropriate to the project constraints, such as technical understanding, distance, and language. We will explore this in the next slide. Communication methods include three ways to share information with stakeholders: interactive, push, or pull. We will discuss these further in the Manage Communications module. A stakeholder engagement matrix can be used to represent stakeholder